if you want to go from here to here, then you have to follow these simple steps that will make your belly go inside in no time. But first, before telling you the steps, we should know why we have this belly fat. First thing is our food choices, what we are eating. If we are eating a lot of maida and lot of processed foods, then this is bound to happen. Some people think that maida sticks to our intestines, but that is not true actually. This is a myth. Maida actually runs through our system very fast because it does not have any dietary fiber, vitamins and minerals. It stays in our rectum and it creates constipation. We are not getting enough dietary fiber, we are not getting enough vitamins and minerals. That is why, as a defense mechanism, our body stores fat so we can be energized. That is why we have that belly fat if we are eating maida, and same thing goes with processed foods. If we are eating a lot of maida, then we can switch that maida things to whole wheat, suji, and we can switch to mixed grains. We are eating momos, burger, pizza, noodles. These all are also processed foods, and these all are also lack in vitamins and minerals, and our body stores fat if we eat these things. And if we are snacking on matri, kachori and lots of things that are made of maida, then also we can switch to fruits, whole fruits in place of that. That will make our body shed this belly fat really quickly. If you are drinking cold drinks, then avoid cold drinks once and for all. And anything that has soda in it. Soda does not let our food to digest properly, and that is why we store that belly fat. If you want to drink something, then you can drink water all the time, or you can switch to green teas, nimbu pani. If you really want to drink something sweet, then you can do fruit juices, but eating whole fruit is much more nutritional. And if you want to eat from outside and in restaurants, then always choose something that is less processed, very small amount of maida. And we should also avoid sugar as much as we can. If we are eating everything fine and everything healthy and still our body stores fat, then there is a chance that you are eating till your stomach is full. But we should eat until our stomach is only 80% full. People who have lived 120 years have stated that if we are eating only 80% of food, then your body will digest it quickly and then you can live longer. Only eat until your stomach is 80% full. Second factor is that you're not sleeping well. An average human being needs 7 to 8 hours of sleep daily, but you're sleeping less than that or more than that, that will also affect your body fat, because if you're not sleeping well, then your body in defense mechanism will store fat on your body because you need energy. To improve your sleep quality, you can put your phone away 1 hour before you're going to sleep. It will reduce your stress and then it will actually help you sleep better. And you can sleep at the same time every day and wake up at the same time every day. It will also help you to sleep properly and your body will get used to it, and after some time you will get sleepy on the same time every day. Third reason is stress. If you are having a lot of stress, then it also result in body fat. Stay away from your phone as much as you can. Nowadays mobile phone is the main reason for stress. Fourth is stay hydrated and drink as much water as you can. Stay away from cold drinks, juices and chai, coffee, everything, because it also leads to belly fat and whole body fat. So drink water as much as you can. And fifth is that your lifestyle, what you're doing all day. Whole day we are sitting and lying down. That is why we don't have enough movement and our body starts to store fat. Our body needs exercise. What you have to do, you have to get up every hour and take a walk and then sit down again. Do not sit more than 1 hour at one place and start exercising. Our body needs minimum 1 hour of exercise every day. So what you have to do, you have to walk for 15 to 20 minutes every day, and then you can do any exercise that you like. Yoga, cardio and strength training, any kind of exercises fine, but you have to do it for 1 hour every day. And this is a lifestyle that you have to maintain to stay away from that belly fat and reduce that belly fat if you have already. 5 things you have to follow to stay away from that fat from your body. Not only fat looks bad on your body, but it is also a major reason for your health issues. So if you want to stay healthy and stay fit, then follow these 5 steps. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.